Hi everyone, welcome to the channel Arun Automation Academy. So in this video, we'll be looking into Playwright locators. So these are the built-in locators in Playwright. If we check in Selenium, that is completely different while comparing with this Playwright. So we do have recorders for Playwright, but in this video, I'm going to tell you guys how the built-in locators work in Playwright. So these are the most commonly used locators that are built in Playwright. The first one is getByRole and getByText, getByAreaLabel, getByPlaceholder and getByTest ID. So getByRole is nothing but this will take the area roles like text box, links and buttons. So with this things we can able to automate those things. Like if you want to enter something in the text field, we can use getByRole in that one. And next one is getByText. So getByText is nothing but we can assert the text, the UI text that will be present in the UI. Those things we can do. And label is the same, like if you are checking something in the text box, right, like email, for email on text box, edit box, it will be there, and for password on edit box it will be there. So that is the get by label. Placeholder is nothing but in that edit box we will be having like the gray color text, it will be there, like enter email. So that one is the placeholder, and the test ID is that data test ID, something it will be there. So I'm going to tell you guys like how it works and what are the things that we have to look into it before we start in the Playwright. So scripting is the coding is different, but these are all the built-in locators. With this help only we are going to automate the UI. So first one we can look into getByRole. So this one is the getByRole. So buttons we can automate with the getByRole. So HTML, for example, the HTML looks like button, login as I call login and button, it will be there. So the locators will be await page.getByRole. First we have to put the tag name here. Tag name is equal to button, and the name is nothing but that black color text or the text that will be there here. 1 second, I will show you guys. So if we see here, so I will look for some buttons here. So if you see this button, right, so start is a button here. So the button is nothing but the button here, and the start is the text. So we have to pass it like button here, getByRole button. It should be in that single quotes and comma. This is the syntax for that. Name is equal to start we can give instead of login dot click. It will click on it. So buttons is done now, and we will go for link now. Link is nothing but what are the things that will be in A tags, right? That will be a link. So in href they will be giving the link. So this is the link. So this is the HTML tag. So first we will be taking this one as link here. Got it, right? getByRole link name is equal to forget password. Same thing we can give. Example I can show. So if we search for A tag here, we will get here. See, link href. We can take this home as an example. So what are the things that will be there in A, right? A tag, it will be a link. So href, some link is given. So if we click on here, it will redirect to another page. So as of now we are in home page, so it is taking here. So if we click on Udemy courses here, it will redirect to another page. So that is the tag A. And next one is text boxes. What are the inputs like text box, edit box? What I'm saying is this is the edit box. Enter name, enter email, enter password, phone number. These are all the edit box. We can automate with getByRole. So getByRole input, it will be a text, ID, username, label is equal to username, something like that will be there. So for that word we have to give getByRole text box. We have to give for input fields. For input field we have to give it as text box, and name is equal to username, that ID name, that label name we can give. The name is there, right? So this name we can give. Okay, these are all the most commonly used things, like buttons it will be there, link it will be there, and text boxes it will be there. And next things are password fields. This is same, it will act like an edit box only. For username, email, it will be the same for everything. And checkboxes is this is the checkbox. These are all the checkbox. This is also same. We just need to give like, see, checkbox. So what are the field that is checkbox, right? We need to give getByRole checkbox, same syntax. Name not remember me. Instead of remember me, I can give Sunday here. If I give, it will click on it. And radio buttons. Radio buttons is, these are all the radio buttons like male, female. Same it will be there. So we have to give, it as radio and name male, that check something. That's it. And headings. Headings is big text. I will show you example for that one as well. So H1 automation testing practice is the heading here. So we are giving H1 as heading here. H1 as heading, name as dashboard. This the text here. I will give automation testing practice as text and to be visible. That's it. Drop down. These are all the drop down things. So for example, I'm taking this drop down. Country, these things. So for that one, it is very easy. So if we compare with Selenium, we will be having select class, action class over there, not action class, select class will be there. So here, there will be selecting by index value, those things it will be there. Here it is very straightforward. We just need to give getByRole is equal to combo box we need to give and select option India. That's it. So if you want to select something in the drop down field, you just need to give it as combo box and you can select what are the things that you are giving. So I will show the real-time examples for everything. Okay, so as of now this is done. And next one is tables. And the tables we can check whether it is visible or not, those things. And next one is getByRole switch. Switch or toggle buttons, it will be there. I don't know whether it is there in the UI or not. I will show you guys what is a toggle button and how it is looking like. So these are all the toggle button, like it is on or something like that. So for that one, we have to give toggle switch. Okay, switch name we can enter what is given there. That's it. So these are all the things for getByRole, and for getByLabel. Label is nothing but this one. These are all the labels. With the help of labels also, we can able to enter in the edit box field. So how is that? We can check. Label for username, the element it will be there, HTML element it will be there. Input ID is equal to username, something it will be there. So getByLabel, we can give the getByLabel as name here. Name dot fill. If you give fill, it will automatically fill here. That's it. And same thing it will be there for checkbox. So for that one, the syntax it will be different. getByLabel, getByRole we will be entering two text, like the tag name we will be entering and that text it will be there. But if you check in label, no, getByLabel only it will be there, and we will be passing something like label name. Label name we will be entering, and what are the text that we have to enter, dot fill it will be there. And checkbox it is the same, straightforward, like what is the checkbox here? Sunday it was there, no? So Sunday I will be giving here, and it will automatically go there and it will check on here. Yeah, for others it will be a click, and for checkboxes it will be check. And radio button the same, like getByLabel mail dot check. That's it. Email field. What is it? Placeholder. getByPlaceholder. I will show you like what is a placeholder, and with that one how we are going to do. So if you see here, enter name it will be there, right? So I will search here. See, the placeholder is enter name. So what are the text that will be there in that edit box in the gray color text, that is called as placeholder. So with the help of placeholder, we can able to enter the text in the field. Enter your email, it will be there. So here what is there? Enter name. Enter name is there. Instead of enter email, we can give enter name and dot fill. It will fill, automatically fill. Same it will be there for search products also, password field, for everything it will be the same. So we are just checking the enter name. We are entering getByPlaceholder dot fill. That's it. And the next one is getByTest ID. So if you are having some profile icon, no, on the time we can check and this is for testing purpose we will be having in the UI test ID. With the help of test ID we can able to take it. So that element only it will be there like data.test ID. So for that one you can use. It will be the same for all. To have text. These are all comes under Playwright built locators. And the next one is getByText. GetByText is nothing but in if you see in Selenium we will be having what is it? With the help of export we will be having that contains text. With the black text we will be doing that. So by the same we'll be getting page.getByText that login successful to be visible. We don't need to pass any locators here because these are the inbuilt locators. We just need to automation testing practice, is it visible or not. If it is not visible, it is an issue. So for that one, this is asserting whether it is showing or not, those things. Error message, same, it is the same thing. Navigation menu, getByText settings dot click. So I can, this one, okay. getByText start dot click I can give. So those things can do. And next one, getByText, it is almost the same. It will be same for everything. getByText, we are just taking the text, that's it. We are verifying whether the text is showing or not, home is showing or not, Udemy courses and GUI elements, that's it. So these are the things that we will be checking in the built-in locators in Playwright, and I will show you guys how to automate with those built-in locators. So we do have recordings as well here. So if you see right here, pick locators, record new, those things are there. It is like if you record us, it will be there. So I will put on separate video for that one. It will be very easy. We don't need to do scripting only. We just need to click on this here. So if you click here, it will get recorded. So we don't need to write script by our own. So I will make one separate video for that one. This is like getting to know what are those things that will be there in that. It will be helpful in interview as well. So I will show you guys like how to do this one. Okay. So wait, I think this one. So await page dot get by role. Get by role. So now I'm entering in the enter name field. Okay. In the enter name, I'm going to enter some name. Get by role. So in the double quotes, we have to give text box as it is the text box. Okay. And comma. In the curly braces, you have to open and close here. And name you have to pause. Name you have to pause as in the double quotes only you have to pause. Name I'm passing this as name. Okay. Name I'm giving dot. Here I'm giving fill. I will be filling Arun QA. Okay. Next one, what I'm doing here, entering is done. Okay. So I have entered here. Next one, I will be doing the same with placeholder here. Get by placeholder dot fill. 1 second, give me a minute. Okay. Now wait. Page dot get by placeholder. Okay. So what is the placeholder here? Enter email. So enter email. Email dot fill RNK pass at 1A 2B, something like that I'm giving. Okay, we'll add some weight here. Wait, page dot wait for timeout. Okay, to show you guys whether it is entered or not, I'm giving 5 seconds here. Okay, test locators. I'm executing the script. So browser is opening now, and it should enter. Why it is not entering? getByRole text box name is equal to name. Sorry, I have entered the label here. Yeah, that is the problem. Now it will work. I have to pass this name. Name is equal to name. Now it will work. See, it has entered now. So with the placeholder we tried, that worked, and getByRole we tried, that is also worked. And next one is we will be doing it with label phone. Now wait, page dot getBy. I don't know whether label will work here. Okay. Okay, so label will work here. We can use placeholder on it. That will be easy approach. What is the placeholder? Enter phone. Okay, this one will work. And next one we can give this one. Radio button we can give here. Okay. Await page dot get by role. Okay. The role we are passing radio because it is a radio button. Come on. Name we have to give in curly braces, right? Name. What is that? Name is equal to male. Let's check. I have to. Let's see whether it is working or not, or else we'll go for label only. So this is how we have to do. When someone thing is not working, no, on the time we have to do some other approach. It's not working. I'll go with label now. Get by label. So inside that I have to pass male. Okay. So now it will work. Now it will click here in the male. Why it does not click? It should click here. I have added click instead of check. How many elements are showing? Okay, this is one scenario. So we received this error. Two elements are showing. So male, if we search male, no, two elements are searching. So for that one, we have to give dot n 0. I want that first element. So in this case, if two elements are showing, Playwright will get confused which element it should be clicked. So I'm pausing the first 0th element to be clicked here. Okay. So it will work. Now it will work. And next one is checkboxes. See, it will work. See, now it got clicked because two elements are showing in the mail. Okay. And next one is await page dot get by text. We can take get by text dot click. We can take the start. Okay, now I'm executing. It should click on the start button. I'll give 10 seconds here. It will be easy for us to check. On next one, we can take this check boxes and this drop down things. That's it. So it will take some time to execute. Okay. So browser is opened. Okay. Mail. See, it got clicked. Previously it was stop. Now it clicked. We are using getByText here. That is also a built-in locator. So getByRole is done, getByPlaceholder is done, getByLabel is done, and getByText is done. So these are the 4 commonly used things. So that is done now. And next one is I will show you guys how to select in the drop down. Wait, page dot getByRole. Okay. Inside that we have to give combo box. Combo box, comma, in double quotes. We have to give what is that? Sorry, this is not the syntax. Dot select option. In the select option, we have to pass India. Okay. Name. What are the things that we gave it? We got enter. If you see here, it is India. And stop everything got entered. What are the things that we did? So these are all the with the help of built-in Playwright locators, we can easily able to automate. This is how we have to do the scripting here. So that's it guys for this video, and in the next video I will show you guys how to take XPath. So if you are an automation tester, you should know both Selenium as well as Playwright and API REST assured and SQL few things and Jenkins, everything we should know. So for this one I will show you in the next video how to take XPath and with the XPath access also. So thank you guys, do subscribe as well, and I'm planning to put more videos. So do subscribe as well. And if you're a manual tester who is looking for an opportunity in automation testing, do subscribe to the channel and do refer to a few of your friends. I'm starting now. Yeah, that's it. Thank you guys.